Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Awais. I hope you're doing alright in this quarantine moment. Today's video is kind of different. Normally I unbox Apple stuff. We're going to be looking at a Xiaomi power bank. Power banks aren't actually a new thing. Everyone knows that by now. But wireless power bank, there aren't many out there. And believe me guys, so far this wireless power bank is probably the best one out there. If you are interested in buying this particular Xiaomi wireless power bank, then the link to it is in the description below. This is my first product unboxing from Xiaomi. At first I was kind of reluctant, I have to say, but this thing really caught my attention because I was looking for a new power bank. I picked this one up from Amazon. On the front it reads Mi wireless power bank 10,000 mAh, which is pretty good considering the look and feel of it. You have some technical information on the back and a seal of authenticity that it's a genuine product from Xiaomi. You get the warranty documents and terms and conditions, most of which are in Chinese anyway. A USB Type A to Type C cable. I do like the packaging that they have, very Apple-like. At this moment, the wireless power banks charge at the same speed as the wired power bank. So why not just make things easy for yourself and buy a wireless power bank instead of having to use a wire to charge a single accessory. Instead of plugging in cables, all you have to do is just power on the power bank like this, place your wireless charging capable phone right on top, and it will start charging your phone. So if you have this wireless charging bank and your buddy needs to charge their mobile phone and you don't have a specific type of cable that they need, then they can easily place their phone on top and just have it charging rather than faffing around looking for charging cable. And also you can show off your tech. It's not just phones that you can charge wirelessly. I have the AirPods with wireless charging case, which I can easily charge. You can charge any wireless device, however you can't charge an Apple Watch due to the inductive charging at the bottom that's kind of curved. So because it didn't sit flat, you're unable to charge the Apple Watch. The build quality is solid. It's made out of pure aluminum and it will sit firmly on any surface, and also the wireless charging top is a rubber-like, so devices will not slip off it. As well as charging devices wirelessly, you can also charge them using wires. You have a USB Type A, USB Type C, which is an input and an output port, juice indicator, and a button to power on the wireless charging pad. This charging bank is always off unless you press the power button. Once you press the power button, then you're able to charge the device you wish to. That's because if it didn't have that feature, then it will be constantly draining the battery. Kind of makes sense. It charges any devices at 18 watts with Type USB-C and Type USB-A. It wirelessly charges at 10 watts. It can charge multiple devices at once. It supports power delivery. It's Qi certified. Also supports all makes and models of wireless charging capable phones. However, you can't use this power bank to power your full-fledged laptops. I tried using the provided USB Type-C and an Apple USB Type-C cable to charge my MacBook Pro. And as you can see, even though the icon is showing us charging, at the same time it clearly states below that the battery is not charging, which is a downside of this power bank. I can easily charge my iPhone and my iPad Pro at the same time, not needing that extra cable, which is a big deal. Currently my go-to power bank is the Anker PowerCore Plus 2100. This thing has twice the power than the Xiaomi power bank, and it can charge my laptop as well. However, this thing is heavy, costs slightly more than the Xiaomi wireless power bank. The Anker retails for $46.99, whereas the Xiaomi wireless power bank cost me $39.70. And also, you know, the name kind of reminds me of Wanker. Something you should know, to charge this fully from 0 to 100, it took me just over 3.5 hours. Now that's a long time, but it's still reasonable because my Anker one takes a lot longer than that. You can charge and use your phone at the same time, which is good, but you'll definitely feel the bulk. Other than that, this is one of the best wireless chargers out there, and I'm glad I've got one. If you have any question whatsoever, let me know in the comments below, and if you want to see more Xiaomi products being unboxed and reviewed, also let me know what products you want to see. This was my first product from Xiaomi and I'm pretty impressed. It looks awesome. It's one of the best power banks. I'm thinking of buying another one which is able to charge my MacBook Pro, just in case when I'm out and about. But yeah, super pleased with this. So if you are thinking of buying it, make sure you check it out. Use the link below. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment below, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.